Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about how you can use AI to make money. If you're somebody who wants to earn money, or if you're somebody who is running an agency and want to scale his agency, or if you are somebody who wants to start an agency in 2025, then this video is for you. So in this video we will be covering a very important thing, how to get clients. Okay, so we will be very quickly talking about how you can use AI to get clients and do it at scale. And then I will also be telling you the name of the tools that you can use, those specific tools that you can use to do it. And the third one is I will be giving you a bonus tip that you can use in the end, which is very helpful, which correlates to both of the points, the first 2 points, and it will help you a lot. So very quickly, my name is Khushhal Chaudhary and I run a digital marketing agency known as Kyber Digital Media, and I am scaling it, consistently growing, and I have my own learnings that I want to share with you people. Also on this channel I will be uploading every 2 days, so do not forget to come and watch my other videos. Now without any delay, let's just get into the video. So the number one thing is that please select a niche, because you have to have a niche. If you do not have a niche, it becomes very vague. There are a lot of businesses in this world, so you have to have your own lens, own funnel kind of thing, okay, where you filter that these many businesses are there within this particular country, and within these businesses I take this particular industry. Within this industry I take companies which have employees like 1 to 10 employees, and even within that I just take companies who are mostly making more than $1 million revenue per year. So you see, we started from here this big, and then we kept on getting smaller, and we were left with this much. So that is how we actually do it. But what happens is, when you're beginning, you just cannot decide on your own. It is very confusing. Literally, it is very confusing. It was the same way for me when I was starting my agency. I just could not decide on which niche to start from. And it was really difficult because there were so many people telling so many different things, and it is not at all easy to just decide on one niche like that. So what I did is, I just took 3 niches. Okay, so for me, it was real estate, gym owners, and the third one was e-commerce brands. And in this video, let's just discuss about these 3, take these 3 and discuss about a perfect strategy, how you can use these 3 and reach out to your leads or prospects and convert them into your clients. So what you have to do is, so this is a actionable framework. All right, so number 1, open apollo.io. Go to apollo.io and just type the country, select the country to USA, and then type the industry that you are looking for, as we said. So let's just start, take an example of e-commerce brands. Okay, so I type out there e-commerce. All right, so I will get to see a lot of websites that will be really vague, so you get a lot of filters out there. Okay, just select those filters, filter it out, tell it that you are looking specifically for companies who have employees 1 to 10, who are making more than $1 million revenue per year, and whose contact details do you want. All right, so you just have to select the job title to owner, co-founder, or maybe partner, something like that. Then you get to see a lot of good results out there. Then what you do is, you just copy the URL of that page, and then go to Epify or any other scraper. You type in that URL or paste that URL in that app, a particular application, and then it scrapes the whole data. So it might be like you got 10,000 businesses as results after applying those filters on Apollo. So now you get those 10,000 results scraped using a scraper known as Epify. Okay, and when you get that done, you just take all of that scraped data and then paste it into Google Sheets. Now again, you just delete the unwanted fields from Google Sheets, because there will be a ton of data and a lot of unwanted columns and fields. You just delete all of that. You just go onto the share button in the Google Sheets, and then edit the access and type it as, make it as editor out there. Then copy the link. After copying the link, so you go to make.com, choose Google Sheets out there, paste the link of that Google Sheet that you had stored the data in, the scraped data. And after that, you just then link it to ChatGPT. And what you type in there is, you just type a personalized message. You also give ChatGPT the instructions how it has to do it. You tell it to keep the tone like this. You tell it to keep the company names short so it sounds a little bit more informal, because what happens is people know that AI is there and people are smart enough to catch if you're using AI. So you have to make as much informal as you can, because that in the end term really helps people understanding that, all right, this is a personalized mail and not written by AI. So that is what we are doing here. All right. And after you are done with ChatGPT, you then again link Google Sheets. Personalized messages will be stored into the Google Sheets. So we took the data from Google Sheets, contact details, then we told ChatGPT to frame a personalized message for each one of the contact details using their name, company name, etc. And then we again stored those messages into the Google Sheets in front of the person's name. All right. So if I'm talking about, let's just say person number 1, Khushhal. So for Khushhal, he runs Kyber Digital Media. Okay. So he will get a personalized message which was framed by ChatGPT, and that message for now will be stored in Google Sheets. Okay, we are sorted with this much. Okay, then after that, what you have to do, you have to use a tool known as instantly.ai. It is a very good tool. I personally use it, and I will also recommend you to use it, because it will help you with multiple things. It will help you with warming up your mail. It will help you in sending mail in scale. It will help you in making sequences like we just did right now. All right, so you just go to instantly.ai. You just connect the Google Sheets that has all the data now with the personalized messages. You just connect that to instantly, and you just start a sequence out there and frame a really good cold email which has all of these things. Okay, so what a good cold email should be like? Okay, so first of all, as soon as somebody opens the email, they should know that it is not a spam. The second thing they should know why should they read the mail. Okay, and then you have to give the context who you are. All right, and then fourth but not the least, you have to give a call to action. So they should have a call to action in the end. They should not be blinded, or they should understand, right, what they have to do, what is the purpose of the mail. So that call to action should be there. Okay, so if you're free, you can just book a quick 10-minute call with us within this week and all of those things. So that is really helpful. And when you're done with all of this, you have created a whole automation for yourself of sending thousands of mail every day. Okay, and now the catch here is that bonus tip that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. It is that you can just use Google Workspace. What it does is, for that you need to have your own domain. So you get your own domain and then paste it into Google Workspace. Then Google Workspace will give you a personalized company domain mail. So wo jo hota hai na @gmail.com, that will be gone now. That will no more be there. So you will have like for us, kyberdigitalmedia.world, something like this. Okay, Khushhal @kyberdigitalmedia.world. So this is way more professional and personalized. And you can have multiple emails like these, maybe say 10 to 20 emails. Now it is expensive. Google Workspace in general, the number of emails you have, the more you have to pay. Okay, but if you get clients, if you are sending thousands of mails per day, then you are sure to land client within a month. One client within a month. So you just do not have to worry about that. All you need to know now is that just implement these steps. These are very actionable steps that I have discussed in this video here. I do not want to make it any more long, and I'm just improving a way more bit by bit by each and every video with my communication. I have always been an introvert, but we'll get to improve it, right? I'm just working on it. So you will see the quality of video and the way I'm communicating to be getting better with each and every video. And if you liked it, please follow me. This is raw and very actionable content that I'm giving you here. The quality of content is really good and it is not something very vague. So just follow me for more such content, and I will meet you in the next video. And if you haven't already watched, then please watch my interview video that I had shot, cold interview video, and you will get a lot of insights from that as well. Bye.